Gemini 2.5 Pro, Google's new masterpiece or a game changer? This is Jacob O'Reilly reporting live in a special edition of the weekly AI Rundown. Tonight's headline: Google drops Gemini 2.5 Pro. And folks, it's not just an upgrade, it's a full-blown paradigm shift. Let's get into the specs, the science, and the seismic shift this model could bring to the AI battlefield. Gemini 2.5 Pro is Google's boldest statement yet in artificial intelligence. And it's not whispering, it's roaring. Labeled their most intelligent model to date, Gemini 2.5 introduces thinking capabilities, a step-by-step reasoning architecture that mirrors how humans solve problems. It's optimized for the complex, the scientific, and the code-heavy. Unlike its predecessors, Gemini 2.5 Pro doesn't just respond, it analyzes, infers, and then responds. It's already topping the El Marina leaderboard, outperforming its rivals in math, coding, and scientific reasoning. And that's not all. It's designed as the foundational brain for the next wave of context-aware, autonomous AI agents. Under the hood, Gemini 2.5 Pro is codenamed Nebula, and the performance lives up to the name. It boasts a 1 million token context window with 2 million in sight. Yes, you heard that right. Native multimodality, text, audio, video, images, and code all under one roof. Function calling, search grounding, and code execution as native capabilities. It's not just a model, it's a digital polymath, and its technical spec sheet proves it. On Live Code Bench, it scores 70.4%, on AIME 2024, a blistering 92%, and on Humanity's last exam, it beats GPT 4.5 by nearly 3x. This is where Gemini 2.5 Pro gets surgical. Compared to GPT 4.5, reasoning, Gemini smashes it with 18.8% versus GPT 4.5's 6.4%. Science, 84% versus 71.4%. Long context comprehension, 91.5% accuracy at 128K tokens. GPT 4.5 doesn't come close. Even against Claude 3.7 Sonnet, widely praised for its coding prowess, Gemini outpaces it in math, science, visual reasoning, and long context retention. The only place it slightly lags? SWE Bench verified, where Claude holds a narrow lead, but considering Google's trajectory, that gap could close fast. Now, no model is perfect, and Gemini 2.5 Pro is still experimental. It's tuned tightly for safety, which means some creative writing tasks feel restricted, and despite its brute strength, the Agentic coding benchmark showed Claude narrowly edging it out. But Google's strategy is clear: deploy fast, gather feedback, iterate faster. It's already live on Google AI Studio and the Gemini app for advanced users, with integration into Vertex AI coming next. This isn't just about flexing benchmark muscles, it's about building a development ecosystem that's ready for real-world deployment. Gemini 2.5 Pro doesn't just move the goalpost, it builds a new field. Its massive context capabilities mean it can ingest entire code bases, legal documents, or massive scientific data sets without flinching. It's tailor-made for scientific research, agentic coding, business automation, multimodal creativity, and enterprise-scale applications. And here's the kicker: it's already outperforming GPT 4.5, a model that's 30x more expensive to run in almost every meaningful task. In a world of incremental upgrades and overhyped launches, Gemini 2.5 Pro is the real deal. It's smart, it's versatile, and it's ready for deployment. Google has fired a shot across the bow of the AI industry, and if the trajectory holds, this may be remembered as the moment where the Gemini era truly began. This has been Jacob O'Reilly, keeping you informed, sharp, and one step ahead in the fast-moving world of artificial intelligence. Stay ahead of the curve. This is the voice of AI innovation.